Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharestudingschool.com. Today, 18th March 2020. uh, फिलहाल निफ्टी के इस चार्ट को हम जो देख रहे हैं इसमें ये जो आप राइट एक्सट्रीम राइट में देख रहे हैं ये वीकली चार्ट है, बीच में डेली चार्ट है और ये लेफ्ट साइड में जो है वो मैंने ईयरली चार्ट लिया है। फर्स्ट हम लोग वीकली चार्ट को अगर देखते हैं तो आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि हम लोग एक ट्रिमेंडस स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट लेवल पे फिलहाल है और वो है 8,950 के आसपास का। ये जो डॉटेड लाइन हमने निकाली है वो है और ब्लैक में आप एक ट्रेंड लाइन जो प्लॉट करी थी, दैट ट्रेंड लाइन विच वी हैव प्लॉटेड ऑलमोस्ट लास्ट वीक, that is a very crucial line, and as we said that market should remain above this trend line, try and settle above that trend line. Obviously if we said that it may try again and again to penetrate below that line, but on closing basis it will or rather it should come above this. So even for this for current week we are expecting market to sustain above this trend line, and that is statistically, if you say it is 8,950 level, market should go try and remain or close weekly bar above this 8,953, because this level which acted as a resistance in the last few many times rather, and it had formed a pattern. After that breakout uh, it was supposed to retest that, and that could be the reason that market, after becoming overbought and giving a divergence signals, it has come to that retesting support. So fundamental reasons, whatever it may be, technically at this moment we are at extreme important level, that is 61.8% retracement, which is generally called as a golden mean. That is one reason. Then previous resistance and pattern breakout level, which is basically nothing but a neckline here, and then a trend line. So trend line 61.8% retracement of the rally, then the previous resistance, then the neckline. Everything comes around this 8,953, and currently, if you look at the current momentum indicator, most of them are oversold. So at this moment, in the weekly chart, our RSI is around 20. So all these things suggest that this is a level where actually bulls should bounce. This bounce, will it last for long, or the strength, will it give to Nifty a push? Certainly no, obviously no, because if you look at this chart, this was a great fall, and this great fall has created a history at this moment, and it has tremendous strong fundamental reason to cross and start a new trend, and that will happen only after Nifty will create some pattern around this neckline or and this trend line. Probably this pattern can be W, this pattern can be head and shoulder, whatever pattern it forms, which should be a bullish pattern. So at this moment, just looking into the bar chart, just looking into the candlestick, do not enter in this market. At this moment, only suggestion is that I want market to sustain above this trend line. Let it sustain for some time. Create some bullish formation in line chart. Do not just use bar chart at this moment, and do not look into the shorter time frame. At least keep it on a weekly frame. If you're using a bar chart, let bar chart gives you a strong bullish buy signal in weekly frame, not in a daily or not in a hourly chart. And then and only then you think of using bar chart. Otherwise, in line formation, if you're using, use it in a daily chart or hourly chart. Let market form some pattern in around this straight line, and then only think of going long. So if at all market bounce here, then probably at that bounce will can act as a trap. So do not get trapped here. Let market show some strength and sustain above this level. Create some technical formation. We are expecting the technical support to sustain at this moment. If it happens, then certainly it will give us a signal. At this moment, market is not at all giving any signal, except we are anticipating support here. So will market take a support, will bull bounce for here? That actually time will tell, and let's see what happens. So wishing you best of luck for the day. Good.